Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, inshallah, we will learn the lesson number 7, Durusul Lughatul Arabiya, second book. In this book, we will learn follow some other pronouns. Zahabtum. Zahabtum is a plural of zahabta. This is a plural of zahabta. Zahabtum, you all went. Zahabtum, you all went. You all went. So this is we use for the masculine. We use for the masculine plural. Masculine plural we use zahabtum. Akaltum, you ate. You ate. Maza akaltum, akaltum ya ikhwanu. What did you eat? What did you eat? What did you eat? Maza akaltum. So this tum is a possessive pronoun. This tum is a possessive pronoun. Akaltum. Zahabtum. When there is a second person masculine plural, we will use tum, attached pronoun tum. And in next is we will learn feminine of zahabti. Feminine of zahabti is zahabtunna. Zahabtunna mean you feminine plural went. You feminine plural went. Qra'tunna, you read. Qra'tunna, you read. So you feminine plural read. You read. Qra'tunna, you read. This is second form. Qra'tunna, you read. Aqra'tunna hazihil majallata ya akhawatu. Did you read? You read. And this you is plural here for feminine. Aqra'tunna hazihil majallata ya akhawatu. Did you read this magazine, sisters? So we learn here zahabtum masculine plural and zahabtunna for the feminine plural. Second person feminine plural and second person masculine plural we learn here. Next is zahabna. Zahabna, we went. Zahabna, we. This na is a possessive pronoun of nahnu. Na is a possessive pronoun of nahnu. Zahabna, we went. Sami'na, we heard. Sami'na, we heard. Ma sami'nal azana, we did not heard. Sami'nal, we heard. Ma, no. Ma did not. We did not hear the azan. Ma sami'nal azana, we did not hear the azan. So zahabna is plural of first person mutakallam jama. This is first person mutakallam jama. Ra'aytumuhu. Ra'aytumuhu. You saw him. You saw him. So what is the change here? Ra'aytuhu. Ra'aytuhu. You saw him. You notice it. There is an extra vowel. There is an extra vowel here. Ra'aytumuhu. You saw him. So this is you is plural here. You is a plural here. You saw him. Ra'aytuhu. I saw him. Ra'aytu. I saw him. Ra'aytu mean I. Ra'aytu. I saw. And who? Him. Ra'aytuhu. I saw him. Ra'aytahu. Tahu. You saw. Ra'aytahu. You saw. And who? Him. Ra'aytihi. Ra'aytihi. You feminine singular. You feminine singular. Ra'ayti you. And this is feminine singular. It means you. You saw him. So here we see there is no extra vowel, while with the ra'aytumuhu there is an extra vowel with the meme. So we will learn why this happened. Note that in the last example, the pronoun who has changed to he. The who is changed to he. This change is for vocalic harmony. There is no grammatic rule. This is we just change it so that we can pronounce it easily. Ra'aytihi. So there is a kasra with the ti. So we give a kasra to he also. So it is easy to pronounce it, easy to read it. So just to make it easy to read, we give here kasra. We change this who into he. The combination ti he sounds better than ti who. If we pronounce ti he, it is easy to pronounce. Ti he is easy to pronounce and it sounds better than ti who. Ti who is difficult to pronounce. Here are some more examples of this kind of change. Fi by tihi. So this is by tuhu. By tuhu, his house. By tuhu, his house. But when we use a preposition fi, it will be fi by tihi. By tu will change into by ti because of the fi. So baiti is majroor and ti take the kasra. So we give this who kasra here. It will become baitihi, fi baitihi. Minhu. But if we use fi, fihi, with the min it is who, minhu. But with the fi, we give it kasra here. So we don't read fi who. We just read it fihi. Here is an example of vocalic harmony in English. We pronounce woman as woman. Woman. This is woman. But we pronounce it as woman. We pronounce it woman. But woman as woman. This is we pronounce woman. we change O to I. So what we did, we changed O, woman, into I because of the I in the second syllable. So it will become women. Women. We read it women. We read it. We read it women. This is plural woman, but we read it women. So same the pattern we use with the minhu and fihi. Just to make it easy, we give their kasra. As you have seen in these examples, the nasab pronouns is directly added to the verb. The nasab pronouns are directly into the verb, but in the case of a verb with the pronoun of second person masculine plural, second person masculine plural. If the pronoun is second person masculine plural, ra'aytum, a vowel has to be added between the verb and the pronoun. Ra'aytumuhu. So we will add here ra'aytumuhu. Who is mansoob here? Who is mansoob here? And it is maf'ul bihi. It is maf'ul bihi. Ra'aytumuhu. You saw him. So what we did, we added an extra vowel and we give fatah, we give dhamma to the meme. The meme we will give a dhamma and we will add an extra vowel. Ra'aytumuhu, ra'aytumuha, you saw her. Ra'aytumuha, you saw her. You is here second person masculine plural. This is second person masculine plural. So when the second person masculine plural verb is the second person masculine plural, then if there is an object or there is a maf'ul bihi, then we will give him an extra vowel, and the meme we will give here fatha. Here you can see meme is silent. Ra'aytum, meme is silent here. Tum, there is no harka on the meme. When we add a pronoun, then we will give fatha. Ra'aytumuhu, ra'aytumuha, ra'aytumuhum, ra'aytumu. Whom, you saw them. So this them is whom. This them is whom. Ra'aytumu, you saw. Ra'aytumu, you saw. Ra'aytumuhunna, you saw them. Hunna we use for the feminine. Whom for masculine and hunna for the feminine. You saw them. Same here. What we do? Ghasaltum, ghasaltum, you washed. Ghasaltum, you washed. What you washed, we don't know. Ghasaltuhu, you washed it. And it is maf'ul bihi, it is object. We added an object and we added an maf'ul bihi. So when we will add an maf'ul bihi or object with the verb, then what we will do, we will give an extra vowel and we will give dhamma to the meme. So it will come ghasaltumuhu. Tum change into mu. This tum is going to change into mu. Qataltum, Qataltum, you killed. Whom, you killed them. So whom is them? Oh, whom is them here? Qataltu whom? Qataltum whom? So it will come qataltumu. Qataltumu, you killed whom? Them. You killed them. Sa'altum, you asked. Sa'altum mean you asked. You asked. Sa'altum, you asked. Ha, her. You asked her. So we are adding object. We are adding an object who have a pronoun. Object of the of a pronoun. So sa'altumuha. Sa'altumuha. So what we have to remember, this we will do only for the second person masculine plural. For third person masculine plural, we will not add vowel. For the first person, we will not add vowel. We will add only for the second person masculine plural, or we can say mukhatib jama muzakkar. Mukhatib Jama Muzakkar, we will add an extra vowel. The next is Kana. Kana mean he was. We use Kana and it gives the meaning he was. It is used in nominal sentences. Kana is used in the nominal sentences. Bilalun fil fasli. Bilalun fil fasli. Bilal is in the class. Bilal is in the class. This is a nominal sentence. Bilalun is subject. Bilalun is mubtada here. And fil fasli is khabar. Fil fasli is khabar. So this is mubtada and khabar. This is a nominal sentences. When we add kana, Kana Bilalun fil fasli. Bilal was in the class. So it change is into was. Is changed into was. It become was. Bilal was in the class. Al mudarrisu fil maktabati. The teacher is in the library. The teacher is in the library. You see, in the library. Is in. The teacher is in. So it changed present nominal sentence into the past tense. Kanal mudarrisu fil maktabati. The teacher was. When there is a kana, so it means was. The teacher was in the library. Al kalamu tahtal kitabi. Al kalamu, the pen. This is mubtada. This is subject. Tahtal maktabi. This is khabar. Tahtal maktabi is khabar here. Mubtada and khabar. The pen is under the book. When we use kana, kanal kalamu tahtal kitabi. The pen was under the book. The pen was under the book. Zainabu fil matbakhi. Zainab is in the kitchen. Zainab is in the kitchen. So feminine of kana. Feminine of kana is kanat. For feminine singular, we will use kanat. For masculine singular, kana, and for feminine singular, we will use kanat. Kanat Zainabu fil matbakhi. Zainab was in the kitchen. You will notice here that the khabar in which of these examples is a clause. Clause means shibhul jumla. Khabar is shibhul jumla fil maktabati. This, it looks like a sentence. It looks like a sentence, but it is not a sentence. Fil maktabati, in the library. Fil matbahi, in the kitchen. In the kitchen, it is not a complete sentence. It is shibhul jumla, phrase, clause. We call it clause, we call it shibhul jumla, we call it phrase. It looks like a sentence, but it is not a complete sentence. Tahtal kitabi, under the table. What is under the table? We don't know. What is under the table? We don't know. So this is not a complete sentence. Fil matbahi, in the kitchen. What is in the kitchen? We don't know. Fil maktabati, in the library. Who is in the library? We don't know. Who is in the kitchen? We don't know. What is on the book? We don't know. Fil fasli, who is in the class? We don't know. So they looks like a sentence, but they don't give a complete meaning of the sentence. So they are not a sentence. They are shibhul jumla. They are phrase or they are clause. No change takes place in a clause after kana. When we use kana, the shibhul jumla or clause, there will be no change in it. So kana and kanat will not change. The khabar fil maktabati, fil matbakhi, tahtal kitabi, fil fasli, clause or shibhul jumla, it will not change. But if the khabar is a noun, if the khabar is a noun, it is rendered mansoob. The khabar of kana is mansoob after the introduction of kana. Again, if the khabar is a noun, is ism, then it will be mansoob when we will use kana. Kana will make the khabar mansoob, while the mubtada will be marfu there. Kana will not affect, will make no change on the mubtada, but kana will change the khabar. Like Bilalun Maridun. Bilalun Maridun. Bilalun is mubtada, subject. Maridun is khabar. Bilalun Maridun is khabar. So Bilalun, mubtada is marfu and khabar is also marfu. Maridun is marfu. When we use kana, Bilalun, mubtada, subject, it don't change. Mubtada, subject, it don't change. Khabar will be mansoob there. Maridun will change into maridan. Kana Bilalun maridan. So maridun will change into maridan. Bilal was sick. It will meaning Bilal was sick. And the details we will learn in the lesson number 25, inshallah, when we will reach there. Another thing we will learn in this lesson is zoo. Zoo. Zoo mean have. Zoo mean have. Rajulun zu lihyatin, a beard man. Rajulun, a man. Rajulun, a man. Zu lihatin, a beard man. So lihatin, zu is mudaf. It means have, having. We can use both. Rajulun zu lihatin, a beard man. Or rajulu zul lihatin. Rajulun is nakira. It is indefinite. Rajulun is nakira. It is indefinite. So the noun after zu will also be definite. The mudaf ilay will also be indefinite. Rajulun lihiyatin. So it will follow rajulun lihiyatin. Ar-rajulu, because of alif lam. Because of alif lam. Now this is definite. This is marfa. The man. Ar-rajulu, the man. The man. So al-lihiyati. Al-lihiyati also will take an alif lam. It will also be marfa, definite. Mudaf ilay will also be definite if the mubtada is definite, and if the mubtada is indefinite, mudaf ilay will also be indefinite. In the first example, zu qualifies an indefinite noun. Zu qualifies an indefinite noun because of rajulun. And the second example is a definite ar-rajulu. Ar-rajulu. We know that the adjective of a definite noun should also be definite. But zu is mudaf. Zu is a mudaf. We have learned. Zu is a mudaf, and mudaf cannot take alif lam. In the first book, we have learned that the mudaf cannot take alif lam and mudaf cannot take tanween. So here zu is definite. Here zu is definite because of the ar-rajulu, but it cannot take alif lam, it cannot take tanween because it is mudaf here. And zu is indefinite here on the rajulun zu. Because of the rajulun is indefinite, so zu is also indefinite. But because of being a mudaf, it cannot take alif lam. But zu is a mudaf and it cannot take alif lam. So this is overcome by making the mudaf ilay definite by adding alif lam. So we added alif lam to the mudaf ilay. Zu cannot take the alif lam. That's why we add an alif lam with the mudaf ilay. So in the rajulun zu lihiyatin, the mudaf ilay remains indefinite. Rajulun zu lihiyatin, mudaf ilay lihiyatin is remained indefinite because rajulun is indefinite. Because rajulun is definite, so zu is also indefinite. Zu is indefinite, so lihiyatin is also indefinite. In the second example, the mudaf ilay remains indefinite. Okay. Or rajulu zul lihiyatin. Or rajulu have alif lam. So zu is definite here. Zu is definite here. Zu is definite, so we added alif lam with the mudaf ilay. It becomes definite zul lihiyatin. Zul lihiyati. Here are some more examples. In the kitabun, kitabun is indefinite. Kitabun is indefinite. I have a book. Zu ghilafin jamilin. I have a book with a beautiful cover. Ghilafin jamilin, a beautiful cover. I have a book with beautiful cover. So kitabun is mudaf, or kitabun is nakira. So zu is nakira. Here zu is also nakira. So mudaf ilay will also be nakira. Mudaf ilay also here nakira. Al kitabu is morpha, definite. So zu is definite. So mudaf ilay will be definite and it will take alif lam. Al kitabu zul ghilafil jamili ghalin. The book with the beautiful cover is expensive. The book with the beautiful cover is expensive. Fi karyatina masjidun zu manaratin wahidatin. Fi karyatina masjidun. Masjidun indefinite nakira. It is nakira. So zu is nakira. Mudaf ilay will be nakira. Zu minaratin wahidatin. Al masjidu, because of alif lam, it is definite. So zu is definite. So mudaf ilay will also definite and it will take alif lam. Al masjidu zul manaratil wahidati qadimatun. The mosque with one minaret is old. The next is the letter mim. Zahabtum. Kitabuhum. Okay. Hum kitabukum antum. We are seeing here mim is silent. Kitabukum. Hum kitabuhum. Zahabtum. The letter mim in zahabtum kitabuhum hum kitabukum antum has a spoon, and this spoon changes to dhamma. This spoon will change into dhamma when followed by hamzatul wasal. When there is a hamzatul wasal, then spoon of the mim will change into dhamma. Baitukum, your house. Baitukumul jadidu. So this is hamzatul wasal. So we will say it Baitukumul jadidu. This meme, it will take dhamma. Baitukumul jadidu or ra'aytum. Meme is spoon here. Ra'aytum, meme is spoon here. Ra'aytu mul imama. Ra'aytu mul imama. So we can say if there is alif lam, then we will give dhamma to the meme. Ra'aytu mul imama. Kitabuhum, their book. Kitabuhumul qadimu, their book is old. Kitabuhumul qadimu, their book is old. Mul qadimu. Sa'altum mubnata. Sa'altu mubnatu. So this is hamzatul wasal. There is no alif lam. There is no alif lam, but there is hamzatul wasal. So we give here meme. Sa'altu mubnatu. Mubnahu, sorry. Sa'altu mubnahu. Sa'altu mubnahu. And the last is abshir. Abshir means rejoice. Rejoice at the good news. When you have a good news, so you say abshir. It is set to response to a request and implies. We will learn it in the lesson also, inshallah. Don't worry. You will get what you want. Abshir, don't worry. You will get what you want. Sulusun. Sulusun is 1/3. Sulusun is 1/3, and it is friction means 1/3. This is a friction. It means 1/3, and same like the other frictions, 1/4, 1/5, etc. up to 10 are on the pattern of ulun. Solution is on the pattern of ulun. The dhamma of the second letter ain is mostly omitted. Sulusun, sudusun. However, it retained. Okay, so this one, inshallah, we will learn in detail in the lesson. Nazaratun, spectless. Okay, glasses. Sabun, soap. Asirun, juice. Qurratul qadami, football. Salamun, salamun staircase. Ajalatun wheel. Izaatun radio station, broadcasting radio. Broadcasting or radio we can say. Al-barihata last night. Burtuqalun orange. Kuratus salati basketball. Mulawwanun colored. Sabahun morning. Miknasatun broom. Suratun picture. Al-usbul madi last week. Manaratun minaret. Lihiyatun beard. Alin high, loud. Akhaza to take. Wada'a to place. Wajada to find. Bahasa to look for. Nisfun half. Masha to walk. And this was our lesson. Inshallah, tomorrow we will learn more about this. So we end our lesson here. Inshallah, tomorrow we will come with the new lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.